We are staying at the luxurious Bawah Reserve and had spent the last few days enjoying our vacation, relaxing on the beach, snorkelling, sailing and exploring the main island. Bawah Reserve is more than just an aquatic paradise. The interior offers nature trails and jungle treks. Today, we plan to wade across the lagoon to the nearby island of Muerba. During low tide, you can actually walk on the sandbar to this tiny, uninhabited island. The turquoise water lapped at our ankles as we set off across the Bawah Reserve lagoon. The sand beneath our feet shifted from coarse grains, remnants of crushed coral, to a softer, whiter expanse. We waded through shallow pools, teeming with colourful sea stars, and spotted a couple of baby sharks swimming away. Reaching Muerba felt like stepping onto a postcard. On one side, a pristine white sand beach stretched out, inviting us to sink our toes in its warm embrace. Palm trees swayed gently, their fronds rustling in the breeze. On the other side, a dramatic contrast awaited. A rugged coastline of volcanic rock, sculpted by time and the relentless waves. We then took a short walk across the island and began our exploration of the rocky beach. Nestled along the southeastern part of Muerba Island lies a captivating landscape of rocky cliffs and secluded beaches waiting to be explored. As the waves crash against the weathered rocks, adventurers are drawn to the untamed beauty of this coastal haven. With each careful step along the shoreline, the rugged terrain reveals its secrets, from hidden tidal pools teeming with marine life to towering cliffs offering panoramic views of the azure sea. We slowly navigate the rocky outcrops and winding paths carved into the cliffside, our senses alive with the sights and sounds of this rocky shoreline. Scaling the towering cliffs, they're rewarded with breathtaking vistas that stretch to the horizon, where the cerulean sea meets the azure sky in an endless embrace. Adventurers, undeterred by the challenge of navigating the rocky landscape, embark on a journey of exploration, their senses heightened by the raw beauty surrounding them. With each step, the rugged terrain unveils its secrets, a labyrinth of tide-carved alcoves and hidden nooks and crannies waiting to be discovered. In this untamed realm, Muerba Island beckons with the allure of the unknown, inviting travelers to lose themselves in its rugged beauty and unearth the secrets hidden within its rocky embrace.